Congress leader Rahul Gandhi hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday over irregularities in the results of NEET and assured students that he would raise the issue in Parliament. Ahead of Prime Minister's oath ceremony, he wrote on X, and I quote, Narendra Modi has not even taken oath yet, and the scam in NEET exam has devastated more than 24 lakh students and their families. 6 students from the same exam center topped the exam with maximum marks. Many get such marks, which is technically not possible, but the government is continuously denying the possibility of paper leak. He further wrote, Congress had made a robust plan to deal with this paper leak industry, which is being run in collusion with the education mafia and the government machinery. In our manifesto, we had pledged to free the students from paper leak by making a law. He also added, Today I assured all the students of the country that I will become your voice in Parliament and strongly raise the issues related to your future. The youth have expressed confidence in India. India will not allow their voice to be suppressed. The Congress on Friday demanded a Supreme Court monitored high-level probe into the alleged irregularities in NEET results and accused the BJP of cheating youngsters and playing with their future. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge said paper leaks, rigging and corruption have become an integral part of many examinations, including the NEET. The Indian Express on June 5 reported that out of the 67 candidates who got perfect score in the 2024 NEET UG results announced by the NTA, as many as 44 made it to the top because, ironically, they got an answer to a basic physics question wrong and received grace marks for that. Their wrong answer was based on an incorrect reference in their old Class 12 NCERT science textbook. Subsequently, several medical aspirants and their parents raised multiple objections over glitches, potential malpractices, unclear implementation of grace marks, and alleged paper leaks.